extremely stretchy. It will give you a lot more space to work with. It's really nice for things like socks, mitts, cowls that you want to stretch a lot. It has a lot of variation and it looks really pretty when you're finished. So normally I would slip this first stitch, but for the purpose of this example, I'm going to knit it. So you'll start by knitting a stitch. Then you're going to do a yarn over, but we're not going to do a normal yarn over from front to back. We are going to do the opposite. So we're going to go from the back to the front. Then we are going to knit one more stitch, and then we are going to take the yarn over and that first stitch that we knit, and we are going to pull them back over that first stitch. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to yarn over from back to front. We're going to knit a stitch, and then we are going to pull that yarn over and that knit stitch over the most recent knit stitch. Yarn over from back to front, knit, pull the yarn over and the first knit stitch over the second knit stitch. One more time, yarn over back to front, knit, and pull those two over the most recent knit stitch. Example of how this will look when you're done. I haven't woven in my ends yet, but you can see that where we cast it off is super stretchy. That means that if you are making mitts for someone with a bigger hand, even if their hands are larger, it'll still fit, or you get a lot more elasticity out of that so you don't feel like you're cramped down on the inside. And it also looks really pretty. You can see here, you get this really nice kind of knit look along the top, and then this kind of extra little pearl bump. And I did the same one on here. As you can see, it makes these knit stitches around and this cute little extra pearl bump around the end. So this is great cast off, and I highly recommend it if you have a good opportunity to use it.